So welcome back for the series of lectures of engineering mechanics. We are discussing about the unit number 3, that is the analysis of pin jointed plane trusses and the frames. In the previous lecture, we had seen various types of the trusses, frames. Then we have started for the analysis of the plane trusses by method of joints. Okay, in that we had seen two examples also. Now we'll go for the next example. So here we'll go for the next example, which is 3.1.11, which was asked in December 7 and May 16 for 10 and 7 marks respectively. What they asked to find out the forces in each and every member of the given truss which is loaded and supported as shown. हा जो ट्रस आहे, हा याचं जे लोडिंग आहे ते लोडिंग आपल्याला दोन ठिकाणी आहे, at the B and at the C. The load is 100 kilonewton each and it is embedded in a wall at AE. So AE we can say the member is embedded in a wall, भिंतीमध्ये आहे. So this is a fixed supported end we can say, and this is a free end. It means that this type of the truss is nothing but the cantilever truss. Okay, so for cantilever truss it's not possible to find out the support reactions. For us, we are not going to, it's possible but we are not going to find out the support reactions at the fixed end. या एंडच्या आपण reactions अजिबात काढणार नाही इथं. Without finding the support reactions, we are going to proceed for finding the force in each and every member of this truss, isn't it? So how to start now for method of joint, or from where to start? Anyone? From which end we have to start?
सी पासून सर.
C. का बरं?
दोन फोर्स
दोन मेंबर जोडलेले आहेत म्हणजे दोनच अननोन असणार, बरोबर. बी च्या ठिकाणी 3 आहेत, डी च्या ठिकाणी 1 2 3 4 आहेत. ई आणि ए च्या ठिकाणी आपण अनालिसिस करू शकणार नाहीये, आपण करणार नाहीये. ओके, किंवा केलं तरी चालेल, काय हरकत नाहीये. पण इथं किती होतात? 1 2 3 होतात, इथं 1 2 होतात. वी कांट गो फॉर, सो विल गो फॉर द जॉइंट सी. So firstly consider a FBD of joint C. Proceed. So dimensions I forgotten to mark over here. The dimensions as AB as 2 meters and BC is also 2 meters, whereas A to E is 3 meters. Okay, A to E 3 meters, A to B 2 meters, and B to C is 2 meters. Now consider joint C. Consider equilibrium of joint C. So firstly draw dotted x and y axis for the joint C. X axis and vertical is a y axis. So the various forces acting at that joint. 100 kilonewton acting vertically downward. We'll go for that. This is a 100 kilonewton. Then two members are there. One is a horizontal and second one is a incline. What will be the name of the force in this member? Name of the force in this member, horizontal member.
CB.
Yup, CB.
CB.
Okay, then what about this one?
FCD.
Yup, CD. Now this is incline. Okay,
Yes.
so we will be required to find out the angle theta. But firstly what we will do, we'll assume the directions. Now here the force is coming downward and we have to balance, we have to maintain the equilibrium. So to balance the force coming downward, we will be required to have a reaction in a upward. So we'll assume that a CD is a upward. So as the CD is an incline, so vertical component of the CD will balance 100 kilonewton, whereas it's a horizontal component going towards the right hand side will be unbalanced. मग त्याच्या horizontal component ला balance करायला आपल्याकडे कोण आहे आता?
FCB.
FCB. मग त्याचं डिरेक्शन कुठं असायला पाहिजे?
लेफ्ट हँड साइडला.
लेफ्ट हँड साइडला, जेणेकरून जॉइंट जो आहे तो इक्विलिब्रियमला येईल. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर directions which we have assumed. Now we will be required to find out this angle. I would like to take let it as a theta.
नाही काढायच्या.
So now, if this is a theta, then what about the angle A? Will it be theta? Angle A, will it be theta? असेल का angle A theta? Once again, let's see here. AB is a 2 meter, BC is a 2 meter, BD is a common. Okay, so that we can say that a CD will be equals to AD. Three sides are equal, so two triangles will be
Equal.
equal.
One.
So if angle C is a theta, then what about the angle A?
Theta.
It will be theta.
Theta.
आणखी एक अँगल थीटा असेल, कुठं असेल रे?
तोच तिथला सर, तो उभी लाईन आहे ना तिथला पण थिटा असणार ना
कुठला?
D.
त्याच अँगल मध्ये
इथं
Angle D.
सर, तिथं हा
अँगल डी इथं थीटा असेल,
नाही सर, या साईडला
इकडं
हा सर तिथं
दोन्ही साईडला असेल.
नाही,
दोन्ही
ईच्या
side-
साईडला.
इथं कसं थीटा असेल रे?
तिथं नाही सर, ईच्या साईडला.
ईच्या साईडला. ओके 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 ओके. सो हिअर यू वांट टू से असंच ना?
Yes, sir.
बरोबर आहे का? अरे बरोबर का?
हा सर.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how to find out the theta firstly. For theta, huh? This is in the geometry, yaar, maths, nothing else than that.
Yes, sir.
So how to go for theta? Which triangle will be required to consider? Anyone? Which triangle will be required to find out the angle theta? We can't go for ABD or BCD because we don't know the BD or a CD or a AD. We are knowing only the base, either BC or
ACE घ्यायचा.
AED.
ACE
AC.
मोठा ट्रायंगल
ACE.
घ्यायचा तर.
Exactly. So consider a triangle ACE. Now in ACE, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. This angle will be 90 degree. Okay. So we will be able to apply the trigonometric equations, sin, cos, tan.
Tan theta.
So
Tan
which
theta.
sides are known to you now in this triangle?
AE आणि AC.
AE is known to us 3 meters, AC is known to us 4 meters.
4
It
meters.
means we are knowing adjacent side to this angle theta, that is a AC. We are knowing opposite side to this angle theta as AE. Means we will be required to go for
Tan theta. Tan theta.
tan theta is equals to opposite side AE divided by adjacent side AC.
AC.
That is equals to 3 by 4.
3/4.
So theta is equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. Is it 53.13? Tell me the answer.
Sir, 17.891.
Tan inverse of a 3 by 4.
36.
36.86.
It's a 36.86.
86.
36, 87. 87.
87. 9 sir.
Okay, so now angle we are knowing. Which means we are knowing this angle theta. I would like to mark a theta only here. So now by using this angle, we have to find out the forces in all the members of a given truss. Okay. So now go for that. चलो काय करावं लागेल दादा? बोला काय करावं लागेल?
Summation FX. Summation F.
Fx and summation Fy means we have to
Fy.
apply conditions of equilibrium. So firstly
Equilibrium.
we go for
Yes.
summation
Summation
Fy
Fy.
is equals to 0. So summation Fy 0. Tell me summation Fy, huh?
-100.
Minus 100.
Plus FC.
Plus
Uh-huh. Plus
FCD. Sin
Sin
36.87.
36.87.
87 is equals to 0. Now put up the values. Value is known to us. So that is FCD is equals to plus 100 divided by sine of 36.87. So plus sign is there. FCD is equals to
166.67.
is it correct?
One sir, one double
Yes, sir.
6.
166.67.
Okay, so 166.67 kilo Newton.
Newton.
Is it compressive or tensile?
Tensile.
Arrows are going away from each other. हे जॉइंट कडे जात आहे म्हणजे दुसरा एरो कसा असणार आहे याच्यापासून दुसरीकडे जाणार असणार आहे
Compression.
compression. Don't get confused. So transfer the direction. Answer is positive. Direction is correct. So direction is for CD. At C it is upward. So at D it will be downward. Member is in a compression. Is it clear about the CD?
Yes, sir.
So we got a force in a member CD. Now we'll be required to go for force in a member
Summation.
BC. So summation
Fx equal to 0.
summation fx is equals to 0. FCB plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus FCB. What about the x component of a CD?
Plus. Plus FCD cos 36.87.
87 is equals to 0. That is minus FCB is equals to minus FCD is known to us. That is 166.67 cos of 36.87. दोन्ही साइडला मायनस आहे मायनस मायनस प्लस. So FCB is equals to
133.34.
133.34.
Ah,
133.34 kilonewton. Is it compressive or tensile?
compressive.
Tensile, sir.
Tensile, sir.
Tensile yaar. This is a tensile.
Tensile.
So direction correct है आपला because answer positive है. Transfer the correct direction. So we will transfer that. At C it is going away from the joint. Similarly at B will be it is going away from the joint. Member is in a tension. Might be you are observing one thing that whatever the top members are there, they are mostly in a tension and the bottom members are mostly in a compression. Yeah, vice versa. In previous case we found that in a previous case whatever the triangular truss we had seen, is you are having that with you?
Yes, sir.
So in that case we found that the members for that triangular one, whatever the slanting edges were there, those were under compression and the bottom was in a tension, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
so likewise trend we used to get. We'll go for that also. Now we did with the joint C, means we had found out the force in the member BC and the force in the member CD. Now which is next joint we want to go for? बोला पुढचा कोणता जॉइंट घ्यायचा?
B.
B. We will go for the joint B. Okay, so consider a joint B. Draw it, say FBD firstly. Consider joint C, so joint B, or consider equilibrium of a joint B, we can say. Equilibrium of joint B. As usual, firstly dotted x-axis and dotted y-axis, then the various forces acting on it. At B there is a 100 kilonewton force acting vertically downward. This is 100. Then we are knowing that two members are there horizontal. This is one member I would like to consider, and I would like to go for another member by different color so that you will get exactly a difference between them. This is another one, and third member I would like to go for a black color, which is a vertical. This is a vertical. Okay, out of that we are knowing magnitude and direction of the force in this member BC. Okay, this we are knowing. This is a F. बोला काय असेल?
FBC.
FBC. What is the magnitude for that? FBC, huh?
133.336.
133.34. Great. Then now here
36, sir. 33.
136.33 का?
नाही सर 3च्या पुढे 5 34 च येते.
Okay,
बरोबर आहे.
let it be. Forget about the digits after the point. Time being. Okay. Now here, if you look into the diagram, here you are finding the 4 members, and they are co-linear in a pair. दोघ जण हा व्हर्टिकल आणि हा व्हर्टिकल कोलिनियर आहे, हा हॉरिझॉन्टल आणि हा हॉरिझॉन्टल दोघं कोलिनियर आहेत. Isn't it? It means that whatever the 100 kilonewton force which is coming vertically downward will be get balanced by this vertical member
upward.
upward असेल, and it is going to
Yes, sir.
balance that 100. Similarly, that FBC which is therein, it will be get balanced by this member
Left hand side.
left hand side. So what I would like to do here in firstly I would have to go for the names. This is a FBA and this is a FBD.
D.
Okay, so what I want to say over here, whenever the collinear force system will be there at a joint, whenever a collinear force system will be there at a joint, then the opposite forces or the opposite members, they balances each other. जे काही अपोजिट मेंबर्स असतात एकमेकांना किंवा फोर्सेस असतात ते एकमेकांना बॅलन्स करतात. तर इथं काय होणार, 100 किलोन्यूटन फोर्स हा ऍक्टिव्ह फोर्स आहे, त्याला बरोबर कोलिनियर कोण आहे, मेंबर बीडी हा कोलिनियर आहे. इथं दुसरा कोणताही इन्क्लाइन मेंबर नाहीये. जर का इन्क्लाइन मेंबर असता तर त्याच्यातला काही भाग म्हणजे 100 किलोन्यूटन मधला काही पोर्शन तो त्या इन्क्लाइन मेंबर मध्ये गेला असता, परंतु इन्क्लाइन मेंबर नाहीये. इट मीन्स दॅट whatever 100 kilonewton which is coming downward, it will be get balanced by this member BD, isn't it? So to balance that, the direction of that reactive force will be vertically upward. Then for balancing this force FBC which is acting at the joint B towards the right hand side, there is no other member than AB which is going to balance it. BC मधला जो हॉरिझॉन्टल फोर्स आहे तो बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी आपल्याकडे फक्त एकच हॉरिझॉन्टल मेंबर आहे, तो कुठला आहे, BA आहे. कारण हा मेंबर व्हर्टिकल आहे, म्हणजेच BC मधला जो फोर्स आहे 133.34 हा फक्त आणि फक्त BAच बॅलन्स करू शकेल. सो व्हॉट कुड बी द प्रोबॅबल डिरेक्शन ऑफ दॅट FBA, दॅट कुड बी टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हँड साइड. ओके, जर का इथं आणखी एखादा मेंबर असता, समजा या साईडला कुठेतरी असता किंवा इकडे असता, तर काय झालं असतं की नॉन कोलिनियर फोर्स सिस्टम झाली असती. पण इथं कसं आहे, हे दोघं आहेत ते एका लाईनवर आहेत, म्हणजे पूर्ण कोलिनियर नाही आहे, परंतु दोघं पेअर घेतलं म्हणजे कोण 100 आणि FBD एकाच लाईनवरती आहेत, BA अँड BC एकाच लाईनवरती आहेत. ओके, सो in this such cases it becomes so easy to find out the forces. How is it so? Because if you will apply the conditions of equilibrium, say summation Fy is equals to 0, then what you will get, you will get minus 100 because it is coming downward, and you will get plus FBD because it is going vertically upward. That is the assumed direction, we can say, equals to 0. That is FBD is equals to plus 100 kilonewtons, isn't it? It means that you will get a directly a magnitude for that unknown force. Similarly, if you go for the summation of the forces along the x-axis, for this case, then FBA is towards the left hand side, that is a minus, we can say, and BC is towards the right hand side, that is a plus, equals to 0. That is minus FBA is equals to minus FBC. दोन्ही साइडला minus आहे, both the sides are having minus sign, so it will become a plus. It means that it will be equals to, that is a FBA will be equals to FBC, which is equals to 133.34 kilonewtons, isn't it? Now regarding the nature of the forces, we will transfer the directions directly. So for BD, the force is going upward, so exactly equal and opposite will be there at the opposite end. So compression and tension here for this member BD,
Compression.
it's a compression, so we'll transfer for a BD as a compression. Then for a BC, sorry, for a BA, it is going away from the joint,
Away from
so exactly equal and opposite will be
tensile.
there. So this will be a tensile.
Tensile.
Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
now what else remain? AD and AEs remain. So for which joint will be required to go for? We'll go for directly to the joint D. कारण इकडे कॅन्टिलिव्हर आहे त्याच्यामुळे आपण तिथं काही करणार नाही, जास्त अनालिसिस करत बसणार नाहीये. ओके, कारण इथं आपण सपोर्ट रिएक्शन काढलेलंच नाही त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला डिफिकल्ट होईल. ते 3 अननोन होतील. एक सपोर्ट रिएक्शन आहे, हा मेंबर आहे, इथला मेंबर आहे. या मेंबर मध्ये कसं असणार, कॅन्टिलिव्हर असल्यामुळे याच्यावरती बेंडिंग मोमेंट येणार, त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्यावरती आपण जास्त कन्सिडरेशन करणार नाहीये. ओके, सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट विल गो फॉर डिरेक्टली द जॉइंट D.
D.
But if we'll go for the joint D, we'll be required to find out the some angles. आता हा अँगल किती असेल रे बाळांनो? मेंबर CD चा अँगल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एक्सिस किती असेल?
थीटा असणार सर.
Theta.
Theta. Alternating.
Exactly. What about this?
Theta.
Theta's असणार. It means
Hmm.
that again the example is becoming so simple. So we'll go for a BD of a joint D directly. Okay, so go for that. Consider a BD of or equilibrium of joint D. Consider equilibrium of joint D. So firstly, as usual, dotted x-axis, dotted y-axis, then various members acting at that point or connecting that point. This is one is collinear. Na? Is it correct? Is it like this? अरे बरोबर आहे का मी असं काढलेला मेंबर? हा बरोबर येणार आहे आणि हा खाली जाणार आहे. हा एक वर्टिकल आहे and here another one is an incline. Out of that we are knowing magnitude of the force in this member which is coming downward. This is now FDB na ka FDC?
B.
FDB is equals to 100. What about the direction of the force in this member? Downward, upward? We have analyzed it.
Down.
Down.
Downward is ka? It's a name as a
DC. C.
So this is a FDC. Okay, its angle is known to as theta, that is 36.86. This is theta, this is also theta, and this is also theta. Then this one FDA, is it correct? FDA.
Yes, sir.
Then name of this one
FDE.
FDE. Now here will be required to assume the directions for a DE and DA. So what will be the probable direction of a DE? Upward or downward?
Upward.
Okay, we'll assume that it is upward. Then what about the DA? Probable direction आपल्याला assume करायचं. Downward घेऊया की upward घेऊया?
Upward.
Upward घेऊया. चलो, let's begin with the upward direction. Let it be. एखादी डिरेक्शन आपली चुकायलाच पाहिजे, त्याच्याशिवाय आपल्याला कळणार नाही की डिरेक्शन चुकल्यानंतर काय करायचं ते. ओके, have you done with this? इथपर्यंत झाले सर्वांचं?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
May I proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Apply conditions of equilibrium. First condition, which one you want to go for? Fy, Fx?
Summation of y.
Okay, go for a summation Fy is equals to 0. So now, tell me the equation here for the summation Fy. Who will go for?
Minus 100.
Minus 100. Exactly. That is for FDB. That is minus 100. Huh? Next.
Minus
Minus
sin theta.
DC.
Minus
FDC sin theta.
FDC sin theta. अगदी बरोबर आहे. Next.
plus FDE
हा
sin
साइन
theta.
थीटा अगदी बरोबर आहे. अपवर्ड असेल कंपाऊंड याचा. व्हॉट अबाउट द DA? अपवर्ड अँड डाउनवर्ड?
Upward
Upward.
So it will be
plus
160.
FDA sin theta.
FDA sin theta is equals to 0. Put up the known values. Minus 100 minus FDC is unknown to us. Sin of theta is a 36.87. Is it correct? 36.87.
Yes.
And plus DE is also unknown to us. Plus FDE sin of 36.87 plus FDA is unknown. अरे किती अननोन झाले आपल्याकडे?
सर FDC माहिती आहे ना?
हा राईट. DC किती बनवतो तो?
166.67.
166.67. DC आहे ना तो? हा DC. Okay. So I'd like to quote the value of the same. DC as a 166.67 sin 36.87 plus DA is unknown. Here for DA sin of theta as a 36.87 is equals to 0. Now do the summation. Do the sum of this 100 and this 166. Sin whatever it may be. Tell me the magnitude fastly.
Minus 200.
Minus 200. Is it correct?
0.002.
Minus
200
200. Okay, chalo, we will consider as a minus 200 then. So minus 200 we will take to the right hand side. That will be plus. So what
Yes, sir.
else remain? FDE sin of 36.87 plus FDA sin of 36.87 is equals to plus 200. Equation number 1. Is it plus?
थर्ड एलिमेंट पॉइंट नंतरचा थर्ड एलिमेंट 0 नाही ना, मग डायरेक्ट 200 कसं घेणार आपण?
0.002. Okay, so
Ah.
equation number 1. Then now two unknowns are there. We can't proceed. So what else remain? What else will be required to do now?
Summation FX
Summation FX.
Exactly. So go for that summation fx then. Consider now a summation fx is equals to 0. बोला काय काय summation fx मध्ये?
Minus FDC.
Minus FDC cos of
Cos 36.87.
36.87. My
D
plus येतं.
हाँ चलो plus
Plus FDE cos of 36.87.
36.87. What about its x component? Plus or minus? It will be
Minus FDE
minus FDA cos of 36.87
cos of 36.87.
is equals to 0. Put up the value for a DC, that is a 166.67, and tell me the sum directly. 166.67 cos of 36.87. Is it 133.34?
Yes, sir. 133.34.
It will be minus to this side. We will take to the right hand side. Okay, so it will become now FDE cos of 36.87 minus FDA cos of 36.87 is equals to 133.34. की 3 डिजिट घ्यायचे?
34. नाही सर 34 बरोबर.
Okay, chalo 3 4. Equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2 simultaneously by using calci. Use the calci so that you will get the answers directly. So right on over here, solving 1 and 2, we get solving 1 and 2 we get कसं सोडणार? Go to the mode, press it up to getting the equation as a 1. Unknowns are 2. A1 means DE. DE चं व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? Sin 36.87 equals to B1 is also sin 36.87. C1 it's a 200.002 equals to A2 it's a cos 36.87 equals to it's a minus cos, बरोबर आहे का? So minus cos 36.87 equals to constant C2 133.34. X means FDE. Therefore, force in the member DE is equals to, is it 250.005?
Yes, sir. 250.005.
Kilonewtons. And Y means the second one, that is a FDA.
83.330.
83.330.
330.
We'll skip that. Kilonewtons. Just check the answers. And here for this case also we got the
Correct.
answers as a positive. Correct, Adna? Answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here also we got the answers as a positive, means assume the direction for DA and DE are correct. So transfer them now. DE upward, DA upward. Go to the FBD directly. Sorry, main diagram. DE upward and either
Sir. Yes.
upward. So downward. Member compression attention.
Compression.
This is upward and here downward. Compression tension.
Tension.
It's a tensile one. Is it okay with? Is it okay?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go for the next example. This is 3.2.11. 3.2.11. It was asked for 3 marks and they have just asked to find out the forces in the member AB and AD. ह्या दोनच मेंबर मधला फोर्स आपल्याला विचारलेला आहे त्यांनी. Okay, either go by method of joint or method of section. Method of section till we have not studied, so we'll go for method of joint only. So here also there is no need to go for support reactions. It is a cantilever truss once again, and as we are having a joint A where only 2 members are connected, means only 2 unknowns are there, so it is not required to go for the reactions. या केस मध्ये आपल्याला डायरेक्टली जॉइंट ए घेतला की AB आणि AD मधला फोर्स मिळणार आहे, त्याच्यामुळे सपोर्ट रिएक्शन्स काढायची काही गरज नाहीये. दिलेला ट्रस्ट मुळे आपल्याला त्या रिएक्शन सदस्याची काढता येणार नाहीये, and we are not going for that, isn't it? So what we'll do, directly we'll consider the joint A. So consider a joint A or equilibrium of joint A, we can say. So firstly the dotted x-axis, dotted y-axis. Along the y-axis vertically downward, the active force is there whose magnitude is 30 kilonewtons, whereas 2 members are there. Out of them, one is a horizontal, another one is a inclined one. Angle for that inclined member is a 30 degree. Okay, so now we have to find out the force in those 2 members. Just a minute, here mistake. Now it's okay. So firstly I would like to give the names for them. This will be FAB.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही तुमची.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही.
अरे यार,
पहिलं उघडलेलं दिसतंय सर.
एकच मिनिट. Now check it.
येस सर.
सर दिसते.
Okay, so for this case now we are required to find out the forces in the member AB and AD. Okay, so for this case also it is not required to go for support reactions as it is a cantilever. And another advantage is that directly at a joint A if we will go for, then we will be able to find out the forces in the member AB and AD because only 2 unknowns are there at a joint A. Okay, so I drawn here the FBD of a joint A or a equilibrium of a joint A we can say. Then this inclined member is AB, so I have denoted the force in the member as FAB. This horizontal member is as AD, so name will be a force in the member
FAD.
D. Okay, now the force is a downward, so we will be required to assume the directions for AB and AD. So to balance the vertically downward force, the direction of reactive force in the member AB will be up or down?
Upward.
Upward. So we'll assume that AB is upward. Now, what about the AD? Right side, left side?
Right side.
Right side.
Right side.
जर का तुम्ही राईट साइडला घेतलं किंवा लेफ्ट साइडला घेतलं आणि आन्सर निगेटिव्ह आलं तर फक्त डायरेक्शन चेंज करायचं, त्याच्यापेक्षा वेगळं काही करायचं नाहीये. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हॅव टू गो फॉर द कंडिशन्स ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम. पहिला कुठले घेऊया? समेशन FY0 घेऊया. तर वाय मध्ये कोण येईल? हा 31 येईल आणि याचा वाय कंपोनंट येईल. याचा वाय कंपोनंट व्हर्टिकली अपवर्ड आहे, सो पॉझिटिव्ह येईल. म्हणजेच काय येणार? तो
Minus.
FAB हे मायनस कुठून बघा, FAB साइन 30 प्लस येईल आणि 30 हा मायनस येईल.
सर sin 60 येणार ना?
अरे हाँ, angle is a 60.
60.
Angle is a 60. So by mistake I had written over here as a 30. So this is a 60. Sin 60 minus 30 is equals to 0. That is FAB is equals to minus 30 will become as a plus when it will move towards the right hand side. 30 divided by a sine of a 60. So that is a FAB is equals to. Now tell me the magnitude.
34.64.
34.64 kilonewton. Answer is positive.
Assumed direction is correct.
So transfer that now. For AB, it is upward at a joint A. So it is upward at a joint A. It will be equal and opposite at a joint B. So member is in a
Tensile.
tension. So tensile nature. Now apply the next condition of equilibrium. Summation Fx is equals to 0. AD will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Right hand side. So this will be FAD as it is. What about the x component of AB?
Minus.
Minus left hand side.
Minus
Minus FAB
FAB
cos of 60 is
cos
equal to 0. So AD we want to calculate. So FAD is equals to minus गेला इकडे plus होईल. AB we are knowing that is a 34.64 cos of 60. Now tell me FAD.
17.32.
Exactly half in cos 60 half असतो.
Yes, sir.
We get the answer here. AD is once again positive, direction is correct. AD we have assumed here at a joint A, it is coming to the joint. Equal and opposite means going towards the joint D. So member is in a
Compression.
compression. Understood what we did?
Yes, sir.
So 2 steps, 3 marks. Okay. So now consider the next example, 3.1.19, which was asked in December 12 for 10 marks. It was asked to find out the forces in all the members for the truss which is loaded and supported as shown in this figure. Here, the span of AF is a 5 meter and span of FB is a 5 meter. At A, only one reaction RA vertically upward. At B, only one reaction RB vertically upward. At C and E, 10 and 10 kilonewton on both the sides. At A and B, 5 kilonewton on both the sides. And at D, that is at the center point, 20 kilonewton vertically downward. Clear? Angle A is a 30 degree. Angle B is a 30 degree. Angle EFB is a 30 degree. Angle CFA is a 30 degree. Angle CDF is a 30 degree. Sorry, 60 degree. Angle EDF is also a 60 degree. Here, towards the left hand side of a DF, we are finding 2 triangles. Okay, towards the left hand side of a DF, we are finding 2 triangles. One is a DCF, another one is a AFC. which contains the forces as a 10 and 5. Whereas on the right hand side of a DF, there also exist only two triangles, and they are also consist of only two forces, 10 and 5 kilonewton. And at the center point, that is on D only, or on a DF only, we can say there is a 20 kilonewton. It means that DF is a line or a member which divides the given truss into two equal parts. Is it so? Is it like that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
DF हा या दिलेल्या ट्रसला दोन इक्वल पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड करतोय. बेस 5 मीटर आहे, 5 मीटर आहे. दोन्ही साइडला दोन दोन ट्रायंगल आहेत. दोन्ही साइडला ऍक्ट होणारी फोर्सेस तेवढीच आहेत आणि एक फोर्स हा कॉमन आहे. म्हणजे त्याचा अर्थ काय झाला की दिलेला ट्रस हा आपला सिमेट्रिकल ट्रस आहे. सिमेट्री कोणाभोवती आहे तर त्याचा ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री हा DF आहे. म्हणजे DF मधनं कट केलं तर त्याचे दोन इक्वल पार्ट होतात. म्हणजेच याचा अर्थ काय होतो, जेवढा रिएक्शन RA असेल तेवढाच रिएक्शन RB पाहिजे आहे जर का सिमेट्री असेल तर. जेवढा फोर्स AF मध्ये असेल तेवढाच फोर्स BF मध्ये असायला पाहिजे आहे. जेवढा फोर्स AC मध्ये असेल तेवढाच फोर्स हा BE मध्ये असायला पाहिजे आहे. जेवढा फोर्स हा CD मध्ये असेल तो सेम फोर्स हा DE मध्ये असायला पाहिजे आहे. क्लिअर? आणखी कोण शिल्लक राहिलं? व्हॉट एल्स रिमेन? कोणते मेंबर राहिले की शिल्लक?
CF आणि EF.
CF आणि EF.
EF. जेवढा CF मध्ये असेल तेवढाच EF मध्ये असायला पाहिजे.
EF मध्ये
हे असं कधी होतं तर जर का दिलेला ट्रस हा सिमेट्रिकल ट्रस असेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ अँगल्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ जॉइंट्स वी कॅन से. जर का अशी कंडिशन असेल तरच त्या ट्रस मध्ये दोन्ही साइडला जे काही मेंबर्स असतील, दोन्ही साइडला ज्या काही रिएक्शन्स असतील त्या सर्वांची मॅग्निट्यूड हे सेम असतात. सो हिअर in general at the beginning only we will write that as a given truss is a symmetrical, as a truss is a symmetrical, as given truss or is a symmetrical, therefore firstly I would like to write the reactions RA is equals to RB. Now tell me the next pairs.
FAC is equal to FBE.
Once again huh.
FAC
FAC is equals to
FBE.
FBE, exactly. Next
FAF
FAF.
one by one.
FAF.
एक मिनिट. FAF is equals to
FBF.
next
AFCD is equal to FD.
once again
FCD is equal to FED.
FCD is equals to FED, exactly. म्हणजे ह्या दोघांमधला CD आणि DE मधला सेम असेल.
FCF is equal to FEF.
once again
FCF is
FCF is equals to
FEF.
just a minute. FEF कुठे आहेत बघा बरं ते. CF आणि EF ह्या दोघांमधला सेम असतात. आणखी कोण शिल्लक राहिलं का?
नाही सर.
नाहीये. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय झाला, if we will do the analysis of half of the truss,
FD राहिलं ना, FD
ते कॉमन असणार, ते आपण काढावं लागणार आहे, ते कोणाबरोबर नसणार आहे. म्हणजेच या केस मध्ये आपण हाफ ऑफ द ट्रस अनालाइज केला तर आपल्याला कम्प्लीट ट्रसचं अनालिसिस होणार आहे. मग तुम्ही राईट साइडचं अनालिसिस करा किंवा लेफ्ट साइडचं अनालिसिस करा, व्हॉट एव्हर इट मे बी, यू विल गेट द आन्सर्स फॉर forces in all the members of a truss. Okay, so firstly what will be required to do over here? पहिला काय करावं लागेल?
जॉइंट कन्सिडर करायचं.
कोणता करावं लागेल सांगा बरं?
बी करावं लागेल ना.
कोणतं पण.
जर का आपण जॉइंट बी केला तर किती अननोन आहे तिथं?
2 B आणि BF.
B आणि
व्हॉट अबाउट द RB?
रिएक्शन काढायला लागेल ना सर.
Yes, sir.
आपल्याला सुरुवातीला काय करायचं? हा बरोबर आहे. हा कुणी सांगितलं रे? वन्स अगेन.
रिॲक्शन काढावी लागेल आधी.
एक्झॅक्टली. फर्स्टली आपल्याला रिॲक्शन्स काढावे लागतील, कारण कोणताच असा जॉईंट नाही की त्या ठिकाणी फक्त 2च मेंबर जोडलेले आहेत. 2 पेक्षा जास्त जोडलेत म्हणजे अननोन जास्त आहेत. ओके, सो what will be required? Will be required to go for reactions. कशा काढणार रिॲक्शन्स? रिॲक्शन्स कशा काढणार? हा कोरे वन्स अगेन. हा, हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द रिॲक्शन्स? अरे बोला, हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द रिॲक्शन्स?
कंडिशन अप्लाय करायचं इक्विलिब्रियम.
इक्विलिब्रियम.
Write down then. Applying conditions of equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium we get. First condition कोणती अप्लाय करणार?
Fy
Fy is equal to 0.
मोमेंट घ्या, Fy घ्या, Fx घ्या, कारण Ra is equals to कोण आहे? Rb आहे, बरोबर आहे का? Here for this case Ra is equals to Rb आहे. जर का आपण हे 10 समेशन मोमेंट घेतलं तर या 10चं डिस्टन्स आपल्याला घ्यावं लागेल. नो डाऊट ते 2.5 काहीतरी असेल, ते पण आपल्याला काढावं लागेल. त्याच्याऐवजी जर का आपण डायरेक्टली समेशन Fy घेतलं तर आपल्याला इझी होऊन जाईल. ओके, सो व्हॉट वी विल डू? विल गो फॉर समेशन Fy. ज्या टाइपचं एक्झाम्पल असेल त्या टाइपने जायचं. सो विल कन्सिडर समेशन Fy इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ टेल मी द समेशन. बोला पटपट पटपट. हा, पॉझिटिव्ह सांगा. पॉझिटिव्ह काय काय सांगा?
RA पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, RB पॉझिटिव्ह आहे.
ऍड ऑन देम फर्स्टली.
Ra
RA प्लस RB. हा,
-5.
-5 दोन वेळा लिहू का डायरेक्ट इथं? म्हणजे -10 करू का? की -2 करू? नको,
Yes.
डायरेक्टली झेपणार नाही तुम्हाला. -5 -5
10
10 डबल आहे, सो -10 -10 आणि 20 एकदा की 2 वेळा आहे?
एकदाच आहे. -20.
-20 is equals to 0. RA is equals to RB आहे, so I would like to write 2 times RA. मायनस, बोला सम किती येते? 5 5 10 20 आणि 20 50 येते का?
50. Yes, sir.
सो RA is equals to किती येईल रे?
25.
That is equals to
RB.
RB.
exactly. So we got the reactions RA and RB. Now we are knowing the reaction that is RA and RB. Now we have to consider either joint A or joint B, because we can't proceed with the joint C, joint E, joint D or joint F, isn't it? Because only at the joint A and joint B there will be the 2 unknowns, because 2 members are connected there. At B, BE and BF is there. At A, AC and AF is there. So which joint you want to go for?
joint A.
Go for then. Consider equilibrium of joint A. Consider equilibrium of joint A. So joint A, draw the x-axis, then a y-axis. Along the y-axis, vertically upward, reaction RB, magnitude 25. 2 members are connected at that joint. Out of that, one of them is a horizontal and another one is a inclined by angle 30 degree to the horizontal. Tell me the name of the force in this member.
RA is equal to 25 आहे ना.
काय झालं?
At point A ला घेतले ना सर.
हे घेतले का आपण? ओके, हा अरे हा बरं, चला अरे, हा चला अरे, चुकला रे मग. हा, just a minute, give me a minute. I would like to change it. So RA 25. Now member is a horizontal towards the right hand side and inclined in a first quadrant like this. Angle is a 30 degree. Force of 5 kilonewton acting vertically downward. Tell me the name for the force in the horizontal member. FAF. What about this one?
FAC.
AC. Now tell me the probable directions. हे चुकायला पाहिजे असे सांगा direction जरा. It must be the wrong so that you will get an idea how to change and how to
डायरेक्शन लगे
downward.
upward लगे FAC.
डाउनवर्ड किंवा म्हणजे चुकायला पाहिजे नाही, जेणेकरून आपल्याला पुढे कळायला पाहिजे की प्रत्येक वेळेस करेक्ट यायला लागलं. जर का तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करताना चुकला तर प्रॉब्लेम होईल. व्हॉट अबाउट द AF?
Left ला.
Left. Okay, so consider towards the left hand side. Those are assumed directions, so don't worry about it. Now go for the summation FY. Yeah, FX you want to go for? FY go for.
F1.
So 5 will be minus.
Yes, sir.
Then 25 will be plus or minus.
Plus.
Plus.
So minus 5 plus 25. What about the AC? AC plus or
Minus. Minus FAC sin 30.
sin 30. AF येणार आहे का?
नाही.
नाही येणार. Equals to 0. So minus 5 plus 25. Plus 20 की minus 20?
Plus 20.
Plus 20. अरे आपला आन्सर पॉझिटिव्ह झालं की नाही? चला हा ये चुकीचं येईल आपला. हा सो प्लस 20 minus FAC sin of 30 is equals to 0. That is
बरोबर.
AC is equals to दोन्ही साईडला मायनस मायनस होईल ना, म्हणजे प्लस होते.
हा प्लस होईल.
साइन 30 म्हणजे 40 येते ना हे?
Yes, sir. 40th.
40 किलो न्यूटन. आन्सर पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, डायरेक्शन करेक्ट आहे. कुठे आहे बघा ते? AC डाऊनवर्ड इथं आलं. A च्या ठिकाणी डाऊनवर्ड, C च्या ठिकाणी अपवर्ड. कॉम्प्रेशन टेन्शन. कॉम्प्रेशन लगेच लिहून टाका. आता AC 40 आहे म्हणजे आणखी कोण 40 असेल रे? लगेच लिहून टाका तिथं. लगेच BE वरती डायरेक्शन दाखवून द्या. करेक्ट. BE कॉम्प्रेशन आणि मॅग्निट्यूड 40. आपण पाठीमागं मॅग्निट्यूड लिहिलेलं नव्हतं, पण मी तो लिहितोय इथं मुद्दाम. ओके, सो AC मिळाला म्हणजे आपल्याला BA म्हणजेच AB मधलं मॅग्निट्यूड मिळालेलं आहे. नाव गो फॉर समेशन FX. हा बोला काय काय लिहिलं इथं? AC प्लस की मायनस?
मायनस FAF.
मायनस FAF. हा
मायनस FAC cos 30.
मायनस FAC
cos 30.
cos 30 इक्वल्स टू 0. का AC ला राईट साइडला घ्या म्हणजे काय येईल ते? मायनस FAF इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस FAC cos ऑफ 30. म्हणजेच FAF इज इक्वल्स टू हाऊ मेनी मायनस? हाऊ मच मायनस?
34.64.
34.64. Is it correct? 34.64.
641.
34 point something is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now answer is negative. Means direction is wrong. For which? For whom the direction is wrong?
F
Direction wrong कुठं direction?
AF ची
AF चं. मग correct कुठं असेल? Right side ला की left side ला?
राईट साइडला.
So show it by a larger arrow here. Mark the tick. So transfer it here. Away from the joint. Away from the
Tensile.
tensile. आणखी कोणाचं तेवढंच मॅग्निट्यूड असेल रे?
BF चं.
मॅग्निट्यूड देतो मी 34.64. जे काय असेल पॉईंटच्या नंतरचं काय थोडं मॅटर करत नाही मी तो. सो हिअर ऑल्सो द केस इज लाईक दिस. Member is in a tension.
Tensile.
Magnitude 34.64. That is a force in the member AF is equals to plus 34.64 kilo Newton tensile. Make the square bracket to that. Now we did with 4 members, huh? AC, AF, BF and BE. इथपर्यंत समजले सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
नाव नेक्स्ट जॉईंट कोणता असेल रे?
C.
सी असेल, ई असेल, एफ असेल की डी असेल?
C.
हा?
Joint C.
आयदर सी और ई. ओके, कारण एफ आपण जाऊ शकणार नाही, कारण इथं एफ मधला माहिती आहे पण याच्यातला अननोन आहे. 1 2 3 तिघांमधला अननोन आहे, सो वी कांट गो फॉर. डी तिघांमधला अननोन आहे, वी कांट गो फॉर. ई 1 and 2, C 1 and 2
One
means
and
we
two.
require to go for C or E. We'll go for a C as per your suggestion. Okay, so go for the FBD for a joint C. Then consider joint C. Firstly, it's a dotted X, dotted Y. Now collinear आहे तिथे the member AC आणि CD दोघं collinear आहेत ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to consider them like this. Then here it is a या साइडला 120 आहे. ओके, याच्या बरोबरचा 120 आहे. इकडच्या साइडला ना मेंबर असा हा अँगल टू द हॉरिझॉन्टल 30 आहे आणि एक फोर्स व्हर्टिकल आहे ना. ओके, सो याचा अँगल आपल्याला माहिती आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिझॉन्टल हा 30 डिग्री आहे, बरोबर आहे का? इथला हा इथं 30 आहे, म्हणजेच तो अँगल हा आपला इथं सुद्धा किती असणार आहे? 30 डिग्री. So I'd like to write that angle as a 30 degree. This is also given to us. How much it is? 30 degree.
30 degree.
So this is also a 30 degree. And now the vertical force. What is the magnitude for that vertical force? किती होता? 10 kilonewtons. Out of that, we are knowing the force in this member. This is known to us. We have just now calculated. FCA means FAC. How much it was?
40.
It's a 40.
4 kilonewton.
Then name for this one. FCF. FCD. Now tell me the probable directions for CF and CD.
Upward.
CD will consider upward. Okay, chalo. CF.
Upward.
Upward. Now let's proceed. Find summation fx and fy. First we will go for a summation of the forces along the y-axis. सर्वांची डायग्राम काढून झाली का? Is all of you have completed the sketch?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then go for summation fy is equals to 0. 10 will be plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus 10. What about the CA?
Plus
Plus.
CFC sin 30.
Great. Next CF.
Plus FCF sin 30.
Next. पुढचं सांगा. चला. CD.
Minus.
CD.
C. Minus.
Plus किती मला?
Plus.
Upward झालं ते आपलं.
Plus.
Plus FCD
sin 30.
30 is equals to 0. Now do the calculations for known values. हा 10 आहे, बरोबर? So minus 10 plus CA is 40 sin 30 plus FCF sin 30 plus FCD sin 30 is equals to 0. Take the summation. Minus 10 plus 20, na? Is it plus 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10. So write down that 10. Take to the left hand side, right hand side. So it will be FCF sin 30 plus FCD sin 30 is equals to minus 10 na?
Yes sir, -10.
Equation number 1. Now go for summation fy.
Fy घेतलं ना सर.
fy घेतला आपण हा fx is equals to 0. हा 10 येणार नाहीये. ca will be there. It's a right hand side, so plus will be there. Cos 30. What about the cf? Plus or minus?
minus FCF cos of 30
cd plus or minus?
plus
Plus
FCD cos 30.
30.
Cos 30 is equals to 0. त्यातलं माहिती काय काय आपल्याला?
FCA.
FCA 40 आहे बरोबर आहे का? व्हॅल्यू पुट अप करा, डायरेक्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करा. 40 cos of 30 हे किती येतं?
34.64.
34.64. डायरेक्ट त्याला राईट साइडला घेतो इकडं. सो व्हॉट इज रिमेन नाव? मायनस FCF cos 30 plus FCD cos 30 is equals to minus ना रे?
Minus 30.
34.64. Equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get. Solve them by calci so that you will get the answers. Equation unknowns are 2. A1 is a sin 30. B1 is also sin 30. C1 is a minus 10. A2 is a minus cos 30. B2 is a cos 30 plus आहे, and C2 is a minus 34.64. Is the x is 9.99, means CF is a 10.
Yes sir.
Nearly equals to 10. 9.99. So I'd like to write as a 10. Okay. 9.99 लिहू द्या. What do you want?
10 चालते सर. 10 होते.
चालते ना? बरं चला चालू. CF 10 आला. Then y म्हणजे कोण आहे? CD आहे.
CD
किती आला रे CD?
minus 29.99.
मायनस 30 लिहू का?
Yes sir.
आता CD मायनस आला म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय झाला?
Assumed direction is wrong.
कोणाचं? CF चं की CD चं?
CD चं.
CD चं डायरेक्शन रॉंग आहे. अपवर्ड घेतलं तर रॉंग आलं. कसं असणार? डाऊनवर्ड. मोठा एरो काढायचा. Mark it as a tick, as a correct. So now tell me the nature. CF, compression and tension.
Compression.
CF is a compression, exactly.
Compression.
And CD, just a minute. FCD is equals to plus 30 kilonewton. CD, compression tension, correct wala?
Compression.
दोघं compression असणार. Now transfer their correct directions. Both are compressive. CD and CF. CD downward. Upward. 10 ना रे CD? 10 की 30?
10.
CD is a 10. आणखी 10 कोण असेल रे मग?
CD.
CD 30.
30 CD 30. आणखी 30 कोण असेल? DE. Transfer there for a DE. Sorry. Compression 30. आणखी कोणाच काढतो आपण? याचं कॉम्प्रेशन होता ना हा सुद्धा?
Yes sir.
Yes.
कॉम्प्रेशन किती होतं?
10.
कॉम्प्रेशन 10. याचंही कॉम्प्रेशन असेल बरोबर का? इक्वल अपोजिट.
Yes sir.
कॉम्प्रेशन 10. आता कोण राहिलं शिल्लक रे?
DF.
DF. कोणता जॉईंट घ्यावा लागेल?
F.
का डी?
D.
कोणतं घ्यावं लागेल? डी की एफ घ्यावा लागेल?
कोणता पण चालेल ना?
दोन्हीपैकी कोणताही घेतला तरी चालेल. आता कसं
हम्म.
सिलेक्ट करायचा? ज्याच्यामध्ये कॉम्प्लिकेशन कमी आहेत तो घ्यायचा.
हा.
कोणामध्ये
D.
कॉम्प्लिकेशन कमी आहे?
D. D.
D.
डी ला. सो गो फॉर जॉईंट डी देन. Just a minute. So for the joint D, x-axis horizontal, y-axis vertical. Okay. Now, for that is for a joint D. The members, those are there. How many members are there? 3, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 members are there. I would like to go for different colors for different members. This is a vertical of which we want to calculate the magnitude. This is inclined from this side whose magnitude is known to us. This is also inclined whose magnitude is also known to us. What is remain? Active load is remain.
Load.
Magnitude is a 20.
10.
Angle for both of them is with horizontal. What is the angle with horizontal? 60 or 30?
60.
With horizontal, what is the angle for a DC and a DE member? Or
30
30, sir.
30 degrees. The 60 degrees with vertical they had given us. Then we are knowing now the direction for a CD. Okay, for a CD it is a compressive. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Upward. This is also upward. Name for this will be now FDC, which is equals to CD, that is a 30. This is a FD. हाँ बोला FDE ना?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
This is also a 30. Now tell me the probable direction for this FDB ना? कि FD
F.
FDF.
डायरेक्शन सांगा, अपवर्ड असेल डाउनवर्ड असेल?
डाउनवर्ड.
कशी घेऊया? अपवर्ड घेऊया की डाउनवर्ड घेऊया?
Upward.
आणखी एकदा सांगा.
Upward.
Upward. चलो.
Upward.
We'll go for upward then. Now only this is remain. Summation fx घेऊन काय उपयोग होणार नाहीये. Ultimately sum 0 येईल तुमचं. So go for summation fy. You will get the answer. So summation fy is equals to 0. So
Minus 20.
minus 20.
Plus FDF.
आता डायरेक्टली पण सांगा. बस चला पहिला FDF घेतो. प्लस FDF. प्लस हा 30
Plus
घेतो.
FDC sin 30.
डायरेक्टली लिहितो मी 30.
30 sin 30.
याचा बी तेच येणार.
30 sin 30.
Equals to 0. Do the summation. Minus 20 plus 30 sin 30 plus म्हणजे हे दोघांचे sin 30 is half. So 15 plus 15 is a 30. 30 minus 20 plus
10.
minus 10
10.
plus या minus
Plus.
Minus. इकडे plus तिकडे minus.
okay. So that is a FDF is equals to minus 10. Is it correct now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So minus sign indicates direction is a wrong.
Wrong.
So do it correct. Now tell me it is compressive or tensile now? DF.
Tensile.
Tensile.
Tensile. So write down here 10 kilonewton tensile. Now transfer the direction for a DF. It is coming downward at a joint D.
Away from the joint.
Away from the joints. Okay. So it is going downward. Just a minute.
Away from the joint.
Okay, so away from the joint. It will be away from the joint. Member is in a
Tensile.
tension. Magnitude
10.
10 kilonewton.
10 kilonewton. Okay, so likewise we did with the symmetrical truss also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll start for the method of sections. Okay,